Welcome back, everybody, to Islam. So we are back with more hot, sizzling news. With me, your host, of course, Upo. Babe, I just ate and I feel like sleeping. But then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And remember to hit what? That notification bell. Kitamali, the one and only salty. What is soul sessions? Oh, you darling.
Sanibonani Dumelang Abusheni. Hello. This is me, your man Salty. Bona, welcome to Scamto Podcast. It's another day. Another day, another dollar. So wherever you are, that notification it will go to Bona. It's time for Scamto. Scamto, it's one of the shows telling how podcast telling how nyakodi miss because we touch on your story. We don't touch on you. We touch on your story. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this episode today. Bona, ke re nna le wena e ba le tee, tshwara cold drink, whatever tlebe o enwa, metsi ka lemon, o utlwelle hore ho nyewa byang. Thank you.
Nothing. I'm just happy.
Hey, Bona, I saw Big Zulu's interview with her lately.
No, I didn't. I haven't. No, I haven't.
You haven't?
I'll go catch up on it then.
You know, I like the fact that Big Zulu Umzulu.
Umzulu. And then Nyago means anything.
You understand? Big Zulu Umzulu. You understand? And he's not hiding anything. He's being himself. Because like he was co-podcasting McG and they were interviewing him and stuff. But yeah, now he kept on Kuluma. And it feels like it's very English.
Zulu don't know English though, unless they went to school. They don't know English.
So when Big Zulu hip hop mostly it's based on what?
Yeah,
English or Zulu?
Zulu.
Yeah, because he was asking McG. McG or Saul, whatever Saul or English too much.
Saul he's literate.
Saul Penduga. So he was asking Saul Hore.
Wait. Saul Penduga na like that Saul thingy.
I know.
Because it is.
No, Asha Saul is some other dude, but he's a classic guy.
You don't know so, you don't own anything.
So he was asking Saul a lot of questions. At least Saul, please meet me halfway. Ikhulume ngesintu. I understand. But the interview was so very smart. Yeah, no. I like that guy. Big Zulu. I was like, Big Zulu is Big Zulu. I know him, but at some point. But now he's good people.
Yeah.
He's good people. So there's a part whereby Bamutzi Sakas Tembu guys. And now he also said Izinto is Tembu. Understand? And then it was like, no, it's Tembu's corner, and this is how we do things, and so on. So I was with the wife in the morning, then we're talking about what Big Zulu was talking is Tembu. And then I said to him, according to me, is Tembu, well, it's a Zulu culture, but it comes in a different way because I believe in Nakwela introduce us Tembu. It's when let me say I married you, and you are from my family. Actually, when I marry you, you belong to the Zulu culture. Understand? Now, when I die, you have to get married from. My brother, to move on. Understand? And if my brother has a wife, so meaning he's going to also
chow you,
marry you and chow you, and but avoid that you'll mess up the surname because if you start joling lapha ushatweka kamkhonazi unabantwana bakamkhonazi ushatwa yimpeli or yitswana whatever, and then you're messing up things.
According to my understanding, when it comes to polygamy, I believe it happened over the first wife is unable to bear children. That's when the man can agree with the second wife, with the first wife. Let's get the second wife. That's how I see it's tame. If you're unable to produce in a marriage, a man is obligated to get a second opinion.
100%.
You know, as much as
100%.
we are also obligated to get a surrogate if I don't want to carry the baby myself. You know, a man can go out, but I could get permission from the wife or ngicela ukuthi sithathe we C2, we C3, then sikhona ukwenzani ke ahe umndeni lesaka. Yeah, that's how I understand Istembu. No Jananang, like Musam Selek is just doing it for fun. And
Do you think so?
Yeah, the
So this is what's happening kwa Mosamseleko. Okay? So the way you are saying it or the way ubonang Stembukate. So meaning hore Le Mosamseleko is also doing that because there's this woman, the other woman Wamosa, he's trying kids Lena, but
she can't due to she has problems like when she gives birth, when she's pregnant, she can get pregnant, but the thing is she can't carry full term because wana udula on the fallopian tube, and that fallopian tube gets what? Yeah, basta. It bursts. Ne? So in order for her to carry full term, it's either it's IVF or goes through surrogacy. That's the only way she can make babies.
Evan.
So Musam Selek was bashing her, I'll produce like her.
So it's fine. What do you mean? Because if also Waita or surrogates, okay, it's okay. No, sorry. So maybe Kinkile. And what's IVF?
Okay.
Spoke. What's IVF? How can you? Okay. What's IVF?
IVF stem cell and eggs
Okay.
and put them back in her womb
Directly. They inject it in your womb directly.
and then she will give a child.
So, but
So now what I'm wondering is if she can fall pregnant, why don't they do IVF and take one of the wives? When she's still young. Let her carry the.
I think it's also the part of agreeing. Does she agree to carry 1 hour Tobile and Unsele?
Have they initiated that conversation
with the whole family?
Other wives?
No, they haven't. And Mseluk is also not bound. Hana that knowledge ya on IVF sebetsa jwang and surrogacy sebetsa jwang. Like he's used to it in a natural way. You know.
But
like Galala is outdated, you know. So at least he has the young wife now. This is how things are done these days.
And also the fifth one, I think maybe the Lugulier anyway want her a surrogate.
Yeah, a surrogate mother, yeah.
What about the wife? No, I feel after at least one, but we don't want to one.
Yeah, because you can't be a surrogate without you having a baby. You need to have a baby to be a surrogate.
So that they see how you can.
We are able to protect the
and
baby
carry, and you are healthy and stuff.
Yeah, but
And
it has a lot of things like steps and rules. Like it has a lot of laws for now. How are you gonna do everything?
But I like her, that woman.
You like Tobile or the fifth one?
No, not the fifth
The third one.
The fifth one is
I feel like she bit off more than she can chew. She bit off more than she can chew.
Yeah,
we also need to research how did they meet. They met. Ama 2K nama and GTIs. I feel like it's those type of relationships. Then Ekaya, she got pregnant the first time, but say no one going to see the I feel like
also you think
and she was bound into marriage.
Yeah, because what she's saying, Jay, it feels like there's a part where you're watching and then Musa the police. Understand? Medication. And she was like, yeah, no, Mina, I didn't sign up for this. This is not my vibe. Imagine just later amapilisi. And believe me, you ne umusa will see uzomhlupha below. She's young.
She's young.
Yeah, she's young.
Uzofuna ukuprova.
He's going to see flames. I'm telling you.
This one, it types up the boy yakhe umphume. I mean, the umfana wakhe umpumelelo. Yeah, it types zakhe.
And umulebele mpume. Hey, I don't want to talk. But umulebele utanyo akamunyonyobe wa mudzela.
Akamunyonyobela, ole.
I mean, I've been saying each and every episode when his wife atahela, I'm like, hello to Jamani. Kalibu.
Umunyane.
Uza moja. Kitagitanga.
You think so? Yeah, kititaka.
Like,
And she's beautiful, eh? Yeah.
And type it
Ke type tsa yeah, o rata plus. Yes, ka mpumelelo ska etsa papa iso, wait.
I wonder how come the first wife, Yokas,
Yeah.
then you see the second wife, Mpumele.
Yeah.
They're all well built, body structure. Uzomngena.
And you know when Musamseleku when he's around that smallanyana girl wahai, oh he feels like
He's on top of the world.
hey, there's a point where there's a time whereby ba to lady out go ba dutse ko parking ka mola. Hey, nka bo bona re na apere bya Musamseleku those tight jeans le mazaza. I feel
If you know Ntos Kupusa Oroso, you know that advert Oros.
yeah.
Yeah, mole wet by Batala Oroso, then that Oros thing jumps out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It looks like it.
That. He did look like that.
So it's a problem because if then this woman of the third wife, the third wife, the fourth,
Yeah, no, it's the third.
The
She's
fourth.
The third.
oh, she's the
She's the third.
and Komongolu Mutoit, because they say he's married to Mseleku for like 15 years. Yeah, they counted 15 years. Batlangane 2010 or something. Yeah, Batlangane 2010. Can you check on that, please?
Yeah, I'm checking now.
Yeah, the Batlangane
But they're
2010.
not Umuholo, Shem, and what
And she's so beautiful, eh?
Hey, she's very pretty.
Yeah, she's and wapara, hey, goes
Yo,
spook, wapara, like, and I feel worried. Don't you think or emotswara hampe this thing out, knowing yena at a she can't help Musakabana with kids.
no,
She
she did say on Twitter, I because I get him say look at the way he phrased it. He's like, Kumal, this one, Tobile, is a failure for not producing in the family.
Imagine.
Then her husband, I am not a failure. I'm not a failure. I'm a mother of all the children here as well. I run businesses. You know, I pay for your cars. She pays.
So do you think, Spoko, do you think this lady,
Toby,
Mama Makumalo, do you think Makumalo has money more than Musa?
I believe Makumalo has more money. She's making more money than me.
Musamseleku.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And all the Basaji, Musa's wives, it's actually too much. And I think there's a talk show. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
Maybe it's from her budget. Maybe I'm just allege.
The phones that they are using.
Yeah. You think she's sponsored by Samsung?
And Omoda as well.
Yeah, then she has flipping money.
She has money.
And let me tell you,
She must just send those people.
I wanna men like Musa. I know, you know how Zulu guys are. That typical. I'm Zulu also. So you know how Zulu guys are. At some point. Banally, they're hard. So I think the thing Musa as the modest woman is because she has money.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? I think she has.
You think he's reaching on her?
No. I can't go to because she can a ka kgone ho oketsa family.
Yeah,
So
and you know, some people they are obsessed.
they're obsessed about kids, you understand? So Musa, I think o duletse mo because of a ka se kgone ho mo koba o na le zaka, and le basadi ba bang ba ka se mo roe ba mo, hey, you can't make kids what ke tjhelete.
But ke mo rogile mos.
Eh.
Musa himself did that.
E mo ruile, but no, how to get if you are a guy,
And
whatever ba o roa bja, if you can make kids, whatever how guys ba o roa ka teng o inyumba what you understand. So for Musa I o relaxitse whatever mo she pays his cars, so o tlo mo kobela.
and she was so heartbroken. I'm such one to you. So o kgona ho bona le the facial expression ya hae. She was heartbroken.
Was she?
Yo, nahana o roga mosadi ne o mo roga on a diary, on a show, and the very same person o lo re ngiyakuthanda into ebengiyisho iqiniso. You know, she was very heartbroken.
Wa sa mo tloela tle mo rena mo
O tla go wena.
re tlo mo tshwara pila re mo fe lerato man.
Wena ba tšhelete ngwana mongwe.
Ha ke nyake tjhelete, ha ke nyake tjhelete, ha na taba ra mo treata pila madam, ba khumalo ra o tshwara pila.
Basically, right now in South Africa, we have Usiatela, we have Musa Msebeni. Mamel, we have Usiatela, we have Musa Msebeni. We also have McG. Those three men in South Africa, they are womanizers.
Mara se McG.
They are womanizers.
McG ka re o boletsa ha one fela
Right now.
ka hey, what do you mean or McG ke womanizer? Twela McG, as I told you guys, whatever we do, even people now might think rena mo really mo we are like that, but about our personal life or batho ba ba jwang. So McG is not a womanizer. Na bolela the way I feel like. So okay, sharp. Okay, tell me, a guy who's dating a lot of women,
is a womanizer.
Boss Tembu so.
It's a womanizer.
Boss Tembu njengoba ribuka ka
Boss Tembu, you are a professional womanizer.
And we did our life
outside. And there's nothing that you can do about it. That's how you are. My dear, how little la how. Una little stoat. Let me tell you now, little stoat lefuna abafasi abaningi. Una little stoat, marale broke.
Yeah, so that's the only problem ka this boy wa Mseleku. I don't have a problem with him, ne? One day. Like I'm being honest, I don't like him because
I feel like Mpumelelo needs to sit down. Akhulume nabantu abadala, not your father. Abantu abadala, like abomkhulu, abo malume, sit down, talk to them, bakufundise the umbeko, like mekgwa.
yeah.
Of how to behave if you want to have multiple women in a marriage, because you can't treat uvuyogabi and at the end hoping not as me you'll treat me perfectly. The minute you treat her bad, it's how I know that you're gonna treat me next.
So where is that Spoko? Where is that Tswana woman? Is he still dating?
They're still together. It's just that divorced the first one, and Papa Haonagata Vuyokas than this one.
Who's Vuyokas?
Vuyokas is the first one.
And then the Tswana one
is the second.
Is the second woman. What about support, Amar?
Hey, yeah. Looks like it because they're pretty and they're getting big. So yeah.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Because I think the Tswana lady, Mama Haiki mistress, eh? Somewhere in.
Really?
Yeah, somewhere. We know her. Actually, Spoko knows her. Understand?
Her mom was my mate.
What? Are you serious? Is she?
Not really. She's okay.
No, I mean, like Hashkara mining. Is she 10
The
out of
mother.
10?
She's a solid 7.
Oh, but she's a solid 7. It's about
Yeah, so
Because
wabona hore you want Mpumelelo o wa mo support. The family bona ka bo bona, the mother is a teacher.
the
and-
mother is doing well for herself.
Yeah, so Mpumelelo nje
Mpumelelo Sfada is trying to do well for himself.
he's trying to do well. And I don't know, why is that boy always carrying that bag? Mpumelelo, like ungathi uzokhipha i-10,000 ayisebenze.
Mhlawumbe
Oh,
kunespam
what?
lapha.
I think maybe he has a lot of phones.
Or
He's
he's
okay.
now a businessman.
Is okay.
Can go Spuku,
Businessman,
can you please search ukuthi is there any business elore Mpumelelo unayo?
Is he running?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to know if I'm busy checking the dominoes, so my searching page is full of dummies.
Seriously, like it can't be like that, Ore. That boy, you can take Stembu ngemali yaka babakho. You work for your own money. And ubaba can I think at some point wrong naye bekumele afundise lo mfana ukuthi you work for your money in order for ukuthi ube nesithembu.
So Mpumelelo is a company owner called Filicon Entertainment that has been running 6 years and 8 months now. It's in Potchefstroom area. Yeah, that's what he's doing.
Idila ngani Filicons Entertainment?
But there's something, yeah, 6 years. It's an entertainment industry.
Iyenzani the show A1 what yeah,
Maybe it is.
Yeah, but like that thing, let me tell you one thing. I'd see ukuthi lento le ayivulwanga.
Yeah, that's what I want to search.
I
Who
would-
is the company owner?
The company owner is Mseleku. It's just the ubeke Mpumelelo is CEO. You understand?
Oh, yeah, I ipone ka re ke kgosi.
Yeah, like umbeke as a CEO. I need you know when you do businesses or I've got 10 businesses. Ibiza ngo Kaya. That one nje umntwana wami ukuthi noma ngifa
They are all running.
yeah, they are all running zoranwa abantwana bami they move on. Yeah, na ngokwakhe something that is built ngezandla zakhe. I don't think so. Guys,
does he even know how to build a sandcastle? You know?
My Stamto people, listen. Ne? Well, we love our kids. We do whatever for our kids, but please let's try to teach our kids how to work for themselves. You understand? How to be responsible. You understand? And have responsibilities and stuff. Because now, if you don't teach your kids something like that, when you die, your kids are in problem. I'm telling you. If you don't teach them anything, they'll sell all your businesses and get about their soft touch.
Yeah, the soft touch.
They don't know
Yeah,
they don't know how you suffered. You understand?
Get everything that you have now.
Everything that you have now. You understand?
Yeah.
So bona they'll just smoke the business, drink it. Like for an example, Pega, what happened to Ubongani Fasi?
Bongani Fasi is
down. He ate like nobody's business.
How much was
There was a lot.
It was a lot of millions.
Yeah, it was a lot. Millions, a lot. Brenda Fasi was huge, remember. So hence I'm saying, Gucci, this is what's going on. Teach your kids how to be
responsible at a very early age.
Poppy, you know when we grow up, we used to. I remember when we grow up. If I wanted money from my mother or something, there was a garden lab at my house. You understand? I would wake up on Thursday, or maybe when I come back from school. I know I'll do the garden, clean the yard, and then my mom would come from somewhere and then he says, I know when you do things like this,
you need something
from me. You understand? So it shows you work
for what you want.
For what you want. To understand? Yeah. You work for it and then you'll get the result. You'll earn the money for what you worked for. You understand? So we need to teach our kids that kind of a thing. Don't spoil a kid. Ungamosha umntwana ngoba uzomosha into zakho. Uzospoila whatever that you've built. Yeah. So,
but I think it also comes back to what is Mseleku teaching her male children? What is he teaching them? Is he teaching them that polygamy is okay? Is he teaching them that indoda mele iqine, mele isebenze akhona ukondla umfazi lo omthandayo.
I don't think
Is he
he's teaching.
teaching them?
I don't think he's teaching them because what happened is I don't think he's teaching them. Ne? What happened is Mpumelelo just decided to say, "Baba ngifuna ukushada ingane abafazi abayi-3."
Can you please pause?
Ubabakhe was like, "Yeah."
Khanya wena. Khanya. Wagasa. Yagasa.
Yeah, so this is what's giving me the problem. Or he just decided saying, Mpumelelo just say Baba Nyachol. Yes, we are Joel. Mara. Now the father was trying to say, Uguti, if we are Jola, do the right thing. Utombozanu yamshad. Yeah, one other thing. It's a right way to teach your kid. Ne? Then Baba ngifuna umfazi omunye. How umfana ufana nani? Like that's simple, you understand? Why didn't he say yazini imakancane before ngomunye umfazi omunye? Hamba ufuna umsebenzi usebenze and then you'll do what you understand?
Whatever you want.
I-girlfriend, I understand it's a new girlfriend to safunda, it's okay, support. But now if ufuna umfazi omunye, go work for yourself. Bring everything that belongs to me. You understand? Go start your own. That's how you teach. That's how you teach a man how to be a man, a boy how to be a man. Understand? Some other let's spoil our kids. It's fine to spoil our kids, né? But we mustn't over spoil them. It's, I don't know, rotten
in their
understand because they become rotten. Utola are lazy. We take out the underpenda ilahlelela. You know, because good name mate, you help her. Helper will come and pick it up. Understand? Helper will come and pick it up. You die. Uba nozo patali help. Help uyahamba. Endlini kuyobanjani. I'm underpaid everywhere. So let's love our kids, but we mustn't spoil them to a point they become rotten. Yeah. So this is what the problem is. I'm saying Umseleku doesn't teach. And he would always lie. He would always lie. Bakuyilo. Abafazi bakhe bacomplaina ngalo Mpumelelo and say, no, Mpumelelo ungifake enkingeni. He's putting me in trouble. But when he's with Mpumelelo, he doesn't tell Mpumelelo. Yeah, he doesn't tell Mpumelelo anything. So he's wrong. He's wrong. He's a great father. Yes, I love him. He takes care of his kids. He must also teach Mpumelelo.
He's a present dad.
Yeah.
But being a present dad doesn't mean you are just here. There are certain actions that shows you are there in the children's life.
Yeah.
So just because you are here, we acknowledge your presence. But what are you teaching the kids? You know?
Yeah.
It goes back to that Hori. He's a present dad, but ingane uyifundisani? Are you funding a child a way of life, or are you funding the child hey, go this way, what you meet at the end, that's your own to deal with.
Yeah.
Or if you go my way, straight to the bottom you go.
Yeah, because now if you don't force umntwana wakho ukuthi asearche ukuthi yena ifuture yakhe ikuphi. Uyamosha, you understand? You have to leave your kid. That's what I'm saying. Don't over spoil or don't spoil your kids too much. Miyeke naye azithole ukuthi ubelonga kuphi. You understand? What if he's talented, he can be a billionaire. Mara wena umbambelele. I'm just saying, what if your kid he was born to be a billionaire? Mara mamspoila umbeke endaweni ewa.
Oh, I thought you were saying Mpumelelo was born to be a billionaire.
No, I'm saying that
which country? South Africa. Him be a billionaire.
So I am saying ukuthi uspoil umntwana wakho ufuna ukumbamba ngama-business wakho. Kanti uyamoshela ijeni yakhe is too brighter than yours.
Yes.
I understand. So then let's not do that. Ufana no Somizi and who?
I'm saying ifana nendaba yaka Bahumi and Somizi and the baby mama ya Somizi.
Who's Bahumi?
Bahumi, Somizi's daughter. The mother said, it's a very long interview. She said that we are letting Bahumi learn to do things on her own so that she knows the struggle of
Yeah.
when I've succeeded. ukuthi ngifike lana ngifike kanjani, so that I don't have that pride ukuthi mina ubaba wami uyangiyenzela yonke into. You know, that's what she said. She said, umntanami is we are teaching her the ways of life. Understand? We are teaching her the ways of life, and I feel like that's a perfect lesson. Ukuthi umntana iPhone, you know, yeah, it's very amazing.
So well, I think guys, that's it for today. And kere monna from me to you, Salty. Kere, it's time to sleep now. Arbona Nengausani. Same time.
Same place.
Same time, same place. Stamto Podcast. We are out from me. You don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit
the notification
button.
Bye.